The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for northeastern St. John the Baptist Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Tangipahoa Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 11 miles south of Ponchatoula, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern St. John the Baptist and southeastern Tangipahoa parishes, including the following locations: West LK Pontchartrain. This includes Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 11 and 17. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.